Have you ever considered how small can you make a gaming computer? This is an RTX 40 series graphics card, while this is the ROG NUC, built exclusively with mobile components. Right, so today we're here with the very exciting new product, the ROG NUC, or NUC. We are not completely sure how to pronounce it. So, as you may know, Asus has taken over the NUC business for a little while now, and this is our first ROG or gaming NUC that is available. So what you have here is obviously then the ROG NUC 970. It comes in two different versions available, either with an Ultra 9 or an Ultra 7 CPU, as well as an RTX 4060 or 4070 graphics card. So the model I'm holding here today is coming with the 4070. So on top of that, you have 1 terabyte of SSD as well as 32 gigabytes of RAM. There's also pretty good in terms of port selection available. You can see here on the front that you have 2 pieces of USB ports, 1 3.5mm jack, as well as an SD card reader. On the back, you will see 2 pieces of DisplayPort, HDMI, as well as 2.5 gigabytes of Ethernet and 4 additional USB ports. Looking at this, the design, you will feel, if you try it, it's very, very heavy. And the reason is that you have quite ambitious cooling installed in this machine. So you can see on the back or on the bottom here that you have 2 pretty large fans, and also in between you have pretty big heatsink as well. This will enable this machine to run cooler, as well as it's actually really quiet, especially if you compare it to, let's say, a thinner gaming laptop. What you can see also here in the box is that you have a stand included, so you can use this machine either horizontally or vertically, depending on your choice. We will bundle this with a 330 watt power supply, and the TDP on the graphics cards goes up to 140 watts if you are using dynamic boost. So what you will notice when trying to upgrade the ROG NUC is that it's very easy to open up and as well as do upgrades. So that's actually one of the signature features with all the NUCs. The ROG NUCs come pre-installed with a full system. So what you will get here is the dual DDR5 memories as well as 1 NVMe SSD drive. You can also have the option to upgrade with 2 additional NVMe ports, as well as a total upgrade of 64 gigabytes of RAM. However, you will see that both of these slots are already occupied, so they will have to be removed. So once you have your computer installed, you can use Armoury Crate in order to change quite a few settings. The first thing that will come to mind is that you have an overview of your CPU and GPU statistics, such as temperature and frequency. You can also choose between 3 different profiles from start, either silence, performance, or turbo, and this will determine how much performance in relationship to noise level that you will get. You can also use Armoury Crate in order to change your settings in terms of your RGB. So using RSync, you can either sync your computer with your other gear such as mouse and keyboard, or you can choose some different effects for the computer itself. Also, you can choose a few different colors. So what you will get with this computer is a very, very thin and light gaming computer that will run basically every game, such as Cyberpunk, even with really good graphics. And also, while playing these games, you won't have that kind of a high noise level that you might be used to for using, say, a mobile computer. Oh yeah, so this is the ROG NUC, and it's available now.